Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. Okay, so our title is talking about sports. So let me ask you, are you interested in sports? Like, do you like them? Okay, that's amazing. All right, so let's just jump into the learning outcomes. Okay, learning outcomes are the things you are supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So you'll be able to, number one, use sports-related vocabulary in conversations. 2, express opinions about individual and team sports. 3, describe their favorite or your favorite sport using correct grammar. Okay, that's amazing. So yeah, I will see you in the warm-up activity. Yeah, you can see this image. I just need you to answer these questions. Question 1, what sport is this? Like, what can you say? Yes, a man swimming. Good. Question 2, do you like this sport? Like, do you like swimming? Why or why not? Okay, you don't like it? Why? You're afraid of water. Okay. Well, question 3, is it a team or individual sport? What do you think? Could be both. Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right, and now I have to leave you to go and watch a video for 3 times, and when you come back, we have to answer a couple of questions. So first, let me read the questions for you before you go. Question 1, what sport does Layla like? 2, what sport does Omar prefer? 3, what sport does Omar want to try? Yes, now you can watch the video for 3 times and I'll wait for you.
Do you like team sports?
Yes, I love basketball. It's fun to play with friends.
I prefer individual sports like swimming. I like to race against myself.
That's cool. Have you ever tried gymnastics?
No, but I want to. It looks amazing. Do you like team sports?
Yes, I love basketball. It's fun to play with friends.
I prefer individual sports like swimming. I like to race against myself.
That's cool. Have you ever tried gymnastics?
No, but I want to. It looks amazing. Do you like team sports?
Yes, I love basketball. It's fun to play with friends.
I prefer individual sports like swimming. I like to race against myself.
That's cool. Have you ever tried gymnastics?
No, but I want to. It looks amazing.
Okay, let's answer. Okay, welcome back. Well, so question 1, what sport does Layla like? Yeah, she loves basketball. Thank you. Question 2, what sport does Omar prefer? Swimming. Thank you. All right, what sport does Omar want to try? Yes, he wants to try gymnastics. Okay, that's amazing, and you're doing amazing. Thank you. Well, let's see in the vocabulary part. Okay, so let's learn some words related to our topic, which is sports. Well, the first one is basketball. Please repeat after me. Basketball. 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 Okay. 2, tennis. 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 Swimming. 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 Gymnastics. 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 Okay. Then we have athlete. 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 Athlete, this is like the person who practices sports is really advanced. We call him athlete. Like شخص رياضي. Okay. Competition. 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 It's like when 2 people or more, like they compete against each other, like منافسة. Okay, or مسابقة. Competition. Champion. 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 Okay, in the competition, the person who wins maybe the first place, this is the champion, البطل, champion. Okay, teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. Yeah, when you work together, this is teamwork. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, then we have score, score, score. Yeah, this word is really important. Court, court, Court. This is like the area, okay, for sports, okay, especially using the ball, okay, court, like football court, tennis court, squash court, yeah, like ملعب. Okay, race, 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 سباق. Okay, yes. So let's have our first practice. Here we are. Simply, as we know, we just have to match words with sentences, like match together. Okay, so the first one, a place where tennis or basketball is played. Yes, court. Good, a person who plays sports. Athlete, thank you. A swimming contest. Contest is like مسابقة. Yes. Okay, we can say competition. Okay, the final points in a game. Score, yes. A person who wins a tournament. Champion, well. Okay, then working together in a sport. Yes, teamwork. Okay, preparing for a sport by playing. Practice, okay, good. A game where people compete. Yes, competition or race. Yeah, a sport with flips and balance. Gymnastics, yes, thank you, thank you. Okay, you're doing amazing. So let's see on the phonics part. Okay, so here we will learn more about the ing sound. And I just need you to know that the ing sound is nasal sound. It comes from the nose, like okay? So, sports words ending in ing, how do you pronounce them? Simply as swimming. Like, I don't say swimming. No, it's swimming, running, jumping. Okay, it's nasal, ing sound. Okay, well. Okay, so right now we have a reading passage. I need you, while reading, to search for words ending with ing. You know, I'm trying to pronounce them. Okay, yes, see you there. Well, so here in the reading passage, we will just have to read it and answer a couple of questions. So yeah, every year our school has a sports day. Students play different sports like basketball, tennis, and swimming. Some students run races and others do gymnastics. This year, my best friend won a gold medal in the swimming competition. My team played basketball and won the final game. It was a great day, full of fun and teamwork. Okay, let's answer the questions together. Question 1. What sports do students play on sports day? Yeah, like different sports like basketball, tennis, and swimming. Perfect. 2. What sport did the writer's best friend win a medal in? Yeah, in a swimming competition. Okay, and question 3. What sport did the writer's team play? Yes, basketball. Okay, you are doing amazing today. Okay. Well, let's see on the grammar part. Okay, so in the grammar, simply we just have to learn how can we use do you like to speak about sports. So, use do you like to ask about sports preferences. I mean the sports that you like or you love. For example, do you like swimming? Do you like volleyball? Do you like basketball? Yeah, the answer will be yes, I do or no, I don't. Just simple, okay? Yes. Well, let's have our second practice. All we have to do is just, as you know, choose the correct answer, okay? So yeah, 1, you like tennis? Yes, do you like tennis? Okay, 2, yes, I like basketball. Yes, I do like basketball. Okay. 3, no. No, I don't like gymnastics. 4, yes, do you like team sports? Okay. Well, 5, yes, yes, I do. I like playing basketball. Okay, 6, my sister doesn't like swimming. Thank you. Because you know here the subject, okay, is a singular person, so we use doesn't or does, you know. Okay, 7. Your friend like tennis. Do or does your friend? Only one person. Yes, does. Okay, good job. All right, so yeah, let's see on the speaking part. Okay, so here in the speaking, I need you to speak about your sports preferences. I mean the sports that you like. So simply, do you like team sports or individual sports and why? Okay, yes, you can answer by saying I like because or I don't like because. Yeah, just speak about your preferences. What do you like or what don't you like? Okay, great. So let me ask you, what did you learn today? Okay, that's amazing. That's awesome. Well, this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next session, inshallah. And don't forget your homework. Bye.